141 from Dromoland Farm. Jerry Dilger's agent here for a dark bay, a brown filly by Orb, Blossom by Deputy Minister. Another one by this hot freshman sire. 4 winners, sire of Orvolution and Golden Orb. He is a half-sister to Bodacious Babe, a stakes-place running filly. This daughter of Orb is a half-sister in total to 5 winners. The second dam bred of a high-class filly, a track record-breaking stakes winner in Cinnamine. A daughter of Orb out of a black-type producing mare.
You bet. Honey, we get 500. Honey, we get 500. We get 500. 300. Here we get about 50. Thank you. Now 100. That's more than I had. 100. 150. Get 100. Here we now have. Here we are again. Get 100 now. 50. We get 50. We get 25. Now 50. 125. We get 50. Now 75. 75. 200. 200. Now 2. Here we get 2. 2. 2. At 175. Got to be 200 on it. Here we get 2. We get 2. Get 175 and 200. 200,000 on it. Here we get hook of 2. 200,000 on it. Here we get 2. We get money's up here. Now you run a second. I go 175. 200. 200 down 2. We get 85. Thank you. Now 2. 200,000. 185 now 2. 185. Here we get 200. Here we get now 25. Here we get 25. 50. We get 50 and now 75. 250 back here. 75. 75. 75. 275. 75. Here we get 75. We get now 75. We get 275. 275. 275. 75. 275. Here we get 75. Here we get 75. We get 275. 275. All done. Anybody get 75? 260. Thank you. Now 75. 260's up here. What do you run a second? 275. Everybody get 5. Here we get 75. 260's up front. 275,000. What do they say? 275,000. How about 270 in the back? 260. 270. Let him in a light lick. 270. Yes or no? 260. 70. You would get thank you. He's gone 70 and Josh $260,000. Thank you.